Okay. I'm just kidding.
Sorry.
I'm just kidding.
That was me burping.
Why are you whispering?
Get up. She put right back in the oatmeal in here.
Stop whispering! It's not gonna be able to hear you.
Oh, it's a... It doesn't. Maybe it's a cockroach. Want the cockroach?
No!
Want the cockroach? Come eat it. Eat it.
I'm stronger than you.
Just a little bit.
I can... No! Eat the cockroach!
No, it's coming. Eat it! She ate the roach.
Yeah, she got hungry. I'm scared.
Let's find the cockroach. It's disgusting. Reminds me of Cassandra's butt crack. I've never seen it, but I can imagine. It looks like this.
Shut up.
Oh,
That's Juan.
Watch me. Juan say his name, but you get that.
Oh, yes. Kidding.
She's more than just a little hungry today.
Are you okay? So are you okay? Okay. Right.
You showing the world how you You hoe. You's a hoe for sure. She's a big hoe, y'all. The roach.
Sylvia, no.
The roach.
No.
The roach. Come here. Come.
Where?
That's the business, y'all. Help me clean it up.
No, you clean it up.
I said help me clean it up.
Okay, I'll help you clean it up. You stupid hoe.
Your mom's a stupid hoe. I said your mom's a stupid hoe.
The show?
You eat like a cochina. Let me feed you.
No.
One bite, one bite.
Fine.
I'll cover that up. Come here. One bite. One bite. This is the bite I want her to eat. You see it? That has a roach in it. She just ate a cockroach, a baby one. You crunchy? Maybe there's another one. One more bite. One more bite.
He's probably the one that I spit out.
Is this really hot?
No.
It's not?
No. It's hot.
You're nasty. Another bite. Come on.
No.
Here's your best Cochina.
You just wasted 25 cents with oatmeal.
She's stupid.
I have to clean this. You should be cleaning this up.
No, I'm good. I'm I'm trying to test one. Leave me be.
We'll put it right there. Look, it's pointing right at you.
These are our dirty dishes.
Don't drop my camera.
These are our clean dishes. That's a little cookie jar beer. Right there. Coffee maker, oatmeal holder, telephone. That's the fridge. That's a hoe. Remember, the hoe. The hoe's oatmeal. This is a mess at dinner. This is a mom cooking tonight. That's a retarded brother stuff. And, well, you know what that is. That's a hoe. So this is our kitchen. That's the old clock. We've had that since forever.
It's gonna show like the video like that. You know that hoe.
Who's gonna go cheat on? Look at it. Look at it. Look at the monster. Look at the monster.
Shut up.
Big headed monster. Look at the hoe. Look at the hoe. I don't know how you make oatmeal crunchy, but that's disgusting. Stupid monkey.
You're the monkey.
Goodbye, people. Bye-bye.